Hello friend, today I am going to discuss the most concerned topic, Omicron. So basically Omicron is a new variant of the virus that causes COVID-19. It was reported to World Health Organization from South Africa on 24 November and who designated it as a variant of concern on 26 November and named it Omicron. We know that mutation in virus are very common, but why Omicron variant across the world go into panic mode? Is Omicron variant worse than Delta variant? Will Omicron trigger third wave? What are the symptoms of Omicron variant? Let's discuss everything.
दिल्ली में आज कोरोना के 249 केस सामने आए हैं। 13 जून के बाद एक दिन में सबसे ज्यादा केस रिकॉर्ड किए गए हैं।
Omicron may be a new chapter in the COVID-19 pandemic. India has reported 578 cases of Omicron variant till now. In reality, by the time you watch this video, this variant likely have spread to almost all major countries, based on evidence who has designated Omicron as a variant of concern. This variant has a large number of mutations. Preliminary evidence suggests an increased risk of reinfection as compared to other variants of concern. World Health Organization classify COVID-19 variant into two categories: variant of concern and variant of interest. Variant of interest are those variants due to which significant community transmission of COVID-19 can be seen. It may affect the transmissibility or severity of the virus. Currently, there are two variants designated as variant of interest. Number 1, Lambda. It was discovered in Peru in 2020, and second is Mu variant, found in Colombia in 2021. But the most problematic variant will come into the category of variant of concern. As per WHO definition, this variant has some characteristics. Number 1, increase in transmissibility. Due to this variant spreads easier. Number 2, severity of the disease increases. As a result, symptoms become stronger. And number 3, effectiveness of vaccine decreases. Till now, there are 5 variants of concern according to World Health Organization: Alpha, Beta, Gamma, Delta and Omicron. Out of this, Delta was the most dangerous variant. Delta caused second wave in India. Similarly, Alpha was discovered in UK in September 2020, Beta discovered in South Africa, Gamma discovered in Brazil, Delta in India, and the most recent variant Omicron found in multiple countries. Researchers at IIT Kanpur predicted third wave in India, which may peak by February 3. Omicron variant is at least 3 times more transmissible than Delta. If we compare with Delta variant has 9 mutations, but Omicron has roughly 30 mutations on spike protein. So Omicron variant could be more transmissible than Delta. The rate of infection of Omicron variant is 2. That means one COVID person can spread to normal person, which is higher than Delta. Delta variant has RO 1.64. So if we see the graph, Omicron variant has doubling time 1.2 days, which itself indicates why Omicron is very much concerning nowadays. If we see the symptom of Omicron variant, according to World Health Organization top official, 89% of confirmed Omicron infection symptoms are similar, like cough, fever, loss of taste, tiredness. In comparison to Delta, Omicron seems to be much more transmissible, but this might be good news because more transmissible viruses are less deadly. In the upcoming month, we will get the news of new variant constantly because mutation in virus are very common. So, wear a mask, clean your hand, maintain safe distance, get vaccinated. I hope you found the video more informative. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.